Pentemu.
O pentema akon. O pentem akon hefa. Penitoto te so minim se wani nteye. We jimi fu ankasa ene na minim se we.
We invite him say we di matemana.
Minim se we jimi penitoto te headmaster obi a oye headmaster. So ne nkran na da etwemp na wo campus nteye ma.
Em na me no da na wanyi.
Nteye ma.
Debi o me no da na wanyi.
Bisa me sa asem no ka chem de nka ntwe.
So na me are proud of you say me no what.
Ko shini be ma.
Unti me di matemu.
We ko shini pa minim se sa na wotie.
We need to sign them tell me to say.
Meton wo school mu apa o meton so obi beto meni obi ama na.
Come on, and they watch cry, madam. Nti na kamenya dey. Umpe no obi pe o.
Why na mpe?
Umpe no obi pe. Oh sorry, I got guy in Quina don't call me and then I will not answer your call.
Asa na ma boda minim de ha me am wo me de wo ye den.
Madam, sa me wo de me ye de ya ye din na me nya broken heart wo ho. So mfa me nya hwe obi so di baby bi so how na say.
Sa je no mpe o sika no pe de na me ka che me
na me so me se me pe no. So otare me ho.
Enti on du sika.
Na de mi si odi mi sika o sika.
Jimi for minim say ehwi na wa anka penimu bia wa bodwe se white ehwi wa ha bia de nka wonim nyansa minim say we jimi sa. Jimi sa.
The fact say na me no wo ho no ma me crocodile so means obenya adaje abedi matemu. Me nso so nkwata asem so. Udi agwa hwa me hwe no.
Wo se de wo be me de. Wo be bombe.
Me bu style dia.
Why ya de no kwa na me peti ne bome. Bome.
Okay. Just say why waje say person ba newspaper me bo a. Social media mu nyame. Aso hwa na me do de me di me do pa.
Odo ba pa ben. Me se wo mpe o ge wo mpe o.
Enya wasem so pemi o so pemi wo how na say. What's the problem?
Bia wa ware. Woni nkran chimp na.
Anyhow we.
Unfair.
Empra me chimp papa me.
Me do ya me so me pe de o me ye no ya me so no so e ka sen.
So broken heart are that here. Hey. What?
Me so me to obi beto me ke bibia me to wo come.
Let me tell you here. Talk me no ends say whether no was swallow the wheel or the wheel swallow no there was a swallow and brand me triewu
na me kwade na misu
where they are besu
misu
misu
me kwato meton wa masankwa
you see the crab and TB any tree oh sorry na don't call me again I will not respond or chia opam kwasa me future na ba che no we be aje nonsense.
Right now, I said I figured it out. I know why Opoku is here.
Yes, only dear woho. Aye, catch you me a day.
Kai said, me who say me and Munam, or Johnny.
On
person men who say, or no one and him. He doesn't want to. Yeah, he doesn't want to know. Hey, Opoku knows why I'm saying this. On him.
Stop precious. I the only Opoku baby or
I rebuke, Aputo. Oh, that be no offense, but no offense. Oh, my type, but me oh, Apu. He knows why. He knows why he doesn't want me to be aware that or no one anymore. Share. So on him say, then mean to me kasa bebre.
Some woho.
And some bebre.
I could be trim.
Oh, my catch or bar. Yen yat na seni edi home come.
I shows over.
Ah! Opa say a die down. Mean to me can be brave, but per se as a margin free like oh dear.
Na me call me say one met now in chamber 1 week be now.
Met na in chain. I'm not at home. You know I'm in school, right?
So the obey to me baby mama now.
Me. Oh no.
You say fear me brain.
If you want me to give you money to buy food, if you want food, I will give it to you. But for you to come and stay, don't you have a place to stay? Why do you want to come here?
Me brain ham with you.
How's it saying?
Me send baby, nani nana ma catch your own. Ya asemu. On say ni edisi no. Kokuma me catch your me bra say me kunu about you. They say me bra o pebe ma kro ne ho no mo ha me sa say me friend me so me hu de me nye.
Opoku. Hey, and also kind.
Me de me peni ye nti.
Opa den ye.
Me bia ni say wadwane agya me.
So your brother thinks Opoku is outside. And I want to ninka. So why is he stressing you? But it's your fault that
stop precious. I've been looking for you. Yes, I want to talk to you.
Oh, I'm coming.
Mr. Bishop, I can't wait. It's about Opoku. Have you seen?
If you want me to go inside, I'm coming.
Oh, Mr. Precious.
Hey, Okasabi mama punish show. Go inside.
Say I know, don't answer. No, Mr. Precious, they made
Go inside. Ah, me pesa dey now you know.
Mr. Precious, when the moon.
Go inside. Me punish show.
I can't wait.
Go inside. Ah.
Hey,
school there. To me, you're being kasa in peace.
Opoku.
Oh, so wow, we need Opoku. Oh no, are you a good person? Or Bob one call for not the only book came more, be not the Nisi came more. Into Opoku too has taken advantage of her. No, I didn't in for phones or Joby book or Joby Sika. I know I didn't see any books or do coffee.
I said book me or Doddy.
Oh, say why like. To laugh like and you do be any Opoku kwa what is sure. Memo adwene nko baby adwene kono wa hwe we onye Opoku type ope obi kokko to say wa what I say we dey ti men worry why ti men no kokasa cause we say me kasa chair because Opoku bookie we say me book come no sacrifices we nyina me yam so the men worry why. Okay, so I'll talk to you later. Bye. Or send me call me nini di. Bye.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with me, yeah. Me, person me come anymore.
South was the same way they are, and I'm in Peno.
Are they?
Person will be a family, me book and I do school nurse. King, so when you. As a school nurse, my old day. No, we want someone. Ah, mommy. So, the calling your house, I don't know what you say now. Hey, I see no. Oh, I didn't know when it is, you know. There were cafes, won't you? Oh, I'm not a mocker, really good. Now, you say, they can see one wall. Who says school days cover sound, would take a man. School days, you know, school Hamana.
Good day, you beautiful ladies.
Yes.
I hope you are all doing well.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you very much. Yeah, so sorry for interrupting, but please, I need you for a bit. Can we?
Okay, babe. Because I told you to stop the baby all the time.
Come back, family. I prefer to see this family.
Thank you.
Hey. Asanto ni nipo. Babe,
She say, okay, if you're more I will cut out. And a babe.
Venice, of late I've been trying to reach you and then I'm not getting you. Why? What's wrong?
Come on, baby. I'm not and you're trying to reach you as a mood. You know, can the person catch him and I mean, you know,
Venice, why this attitude?
Come on, what do you mean? Cause I can't same me.
What's wrong? What have you been thinking about, Venice? Talk to me. I'm your boyfriend. I can be of help.
Well, also, why you say come on? The person catch him and I mean, Uncle Bema Baku, me no dates and the problems, watching our problems, then they say, watching us say, are they?
Oh, Venice. Anyways, Venice, my provisions.
What's the day?
My provisions are finished. I don't know if you could help me get.
Mr. Provision Store. Mr. Provision Store.
Oh, oh, Benes, why is it that all of a sudden you are giving me attitude?
Come on. Oh, hammy. Oh, hammy.
Hey.
Ebeya, come on, baby. I do know the my intuition trying maybe so kakra. Ebeya.
Ben, you ain't trying to.
You ain't trying your muscle kakra. So, hammy. Oh, hammy.
So are you telling me that you want to break up with me or something? Like, let me be clear. Let me understand it well.
She come on, me some that you know. I say me who say, oh, family, children, your baby. You maybe or na say me me pede na wo ye oda ye ni nti ebeya nka. Me twa your muscle na unsu me ni mo.
That is what you are saying doesn't make sense. You are basing on a dream to break up with me.
A dream. Say dream be a reality. Eti me bem. Me die say me some die e kapa. Inti de make me minimu ade minimu ana o ka ma minimu. Obi she's going to talk about me to come about for now they make an me. Okay,
sure. If you want to break up, sure.
Also, if I want to break up, sure. Just I won't pay me won't.
Benes.
Just a minute dream planning now won't pay me. Oh yeah, we be my papa na so pay me and can make her say you change your mason call back Kenyans as a match me. Kobeka say oh, obepa macho na bi wakoto wakoye flower bouquet bi money bouquet bi na dia breme so de enya o.
Benes. You like drama. You like drama, Papa. You want me to do what? Go on my knee. Okay. Benes. This no be telenovela, Benes. If you are tired of me, like I mean, it's fine. It's fine if you want to break up with me. It's fine. Do you know diminishing returns?
Economics has him now. Okay, and I said
now. So you understand it. See, when you use something for a very long time and then later then you don't want it anymore. It's like the way you wanted it at first, you don't want it anymore like that. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say.
Maybe into what say where you sue me and I said,
oh no, that's not what.
Me kwa me catch me kwa na me pese me nu jai o me pese me nu jai dada ba na me hu ha wa me nka no. Se ne na me nya chance na maka che o me nkasa me hu bi nsamfo akwa.
Hey. That's when I got me. Go keep on encouraging some people to chill.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Morocco with me.
Who needs food city, baby? No one from my job. Name yet, I have and now say, Are who had the card use? Once I added. Me coming who Jimmy so much warm upon here upon your moon, because yes, my papa.
So, as a kind of food, what you want to say? So, wait, dear, and just a more. But some more when Oba, wonderful. Yeah, Oba, my channel say, or so with the middle to come. I couldn't keep. And I said, I must miss your woman, idiot. Me senka fa yemi onuko nsa me ojame ase am me kuma maintenance na bra woni me chanting kam senka wodu ne kwana nka di mu akọ na kam sen be catch say also automatic me say mo kan be ba
akete me busa wo nti wo ofu be yinina wo be de so awa
aso mo fe be yin wo
be yin
aso fo nkwano
no
the promise of man
ways of my mentor. Akiti, you yourself. Me bandie now there.
Order. Nyame she.
Akiti, she ma make us much. We are see the obi bia. You trust aba. Na the obi here the win e twen. It wait me pa hwenya me nim pa. Timi mo bi pa see. Ama akora ba su kama osua na de. Eye bibia kama akiti. Akiti. What make you mean by Timmy? Send me pay Timmy Malcray, but you crane, you had ye on a name just a necessary Casacra running tea. A market would do a cheat and no pay you better. Dear make a beer with tea do a cheat. Why you want this over Sacrana Bravo? And yes, sir.
I don't know.
What you mean, you could dress a big gentleman? I may catch me say. Me found quite preaching. Akiti na bibi chia oka what na nkopon bi chia oka
aso
na nkopon On focus your mirror. Say to some passage, Juma would dino. Ka so your banby. Oba wo. Na wo no be your sir. I get you so a meeting na itigu so.
Hey.
School mo. Wa ma be kasa boa akasha me meet me kasa ni pedi my daddy to appear. I get wo. I get wo. We say wo.
So odo kakra na wo di bom je.
Nka wo hwe.
Odo kakra me do ba.
Nka we mini bibia ka cho na se wo yiro hu na se wo yiro hu kono. Kekakọ. Na be hie difuo. Se wo se obeye me sa yiro hu ana ye. Di nyame ja.
Oh, aso.
Di nyame ja. Yiro hu ana ye.
Ka chem kunu. Ka chem kunu.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my way.
My sweet baby girl.
Oh. Okay. Oh, baby girl.
This is my sister.
I've already met her. What was your name again?
Lee, me na my face state today.
Yeah, you know, she's from abroad. Can you imagine?
Oh, wow.
It complements my color. Oh, I'm so happy you already know my sister. Like, that really helps. Oh.
No, clarify it. We are not from the same parents. We just met here. Clarify it.
Either way, yeah, like, we are, let me see, she's my school sister, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah?
It's
Me fun, sound.
too suffering.
No, she's not suffering. What's your problem? Oh, precious. You see, sometimes she tries to be thoughtful. Oh, don't worry. Oh.
Say your sister.
Yeah, that's my sis.
Yeah, you say meeting with them come. Yeah, go state.
Yeah, we're going abroad.
United States.
America, USA. Precious. Ah, come on, Precious, you should know these things.
Oh, okay.
I'm a bit confused at what you are trying to do here, Precious.
But what is okay?
Either way, I'm happy you've been able to meet your sister-in-law this evening.
Sister-in-law?
She's my everything. She's perfect. She's the tapestry of excellence in my life.
You come. I want to ask you something.
Ask me what?
Oh, come.
Oh, we can talk about it tomorrow. Don't worry.
Really?
Yeah, we are going out. We are going to grab something to eat.
It's me for Aroma.
Oh, you know, it's not anything too serious.
It's not serious. Okay.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'll make time for you. You know, I'm.
Go and let me pass.
My love, you let's ignore me.
Okay.
See, Precious, I will come so that we talk about it. Okay. Alright, bye bye.
Remember that you disrespected me.
Hey.
T state. By now, Car state one clarify say Agugu state to say when state and when no see the Chibema. Von. Oh, this guy. Say kakrebi obi here no adada no to the kakrebi no be no adada no. My bre.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go.
Hey, mommy. Una me no kasa no. Nse mu ade nkamafo na nko so oje me so. Maame na odi ani bi hwe me. Nimi good evening. Una e fa o say no.
Lee.
Lee. Lee dia na say Lee. Lee. Ho ye mesre. Okay, fine. By the way, say Lee or say Lydia or whatever you call yourself. Una o say den, una matter say one e headmaster e twemp na no. Ah?
Said na woti ni bia sa pepe net.
Say na me meet ni bia sa na tie, right? Akra keto te say o. O ma me de wa be school say be sua ade. Wo nhwe sunsua ade. E na wo di obi papa echi. Hey, why na chiro sa? Ho ye mesre. Ebe ya tumu for what?
Madam,
Whatever the matter is, it's none of your business.
Was our partner ordinate no ario or bow school mu has say make catch on the banner no fan into no campus no. I mean country say when ya fale bia or the babes song. Obi oye new kwatade. Obeji obi boy so show atade hade show. Anka be sexy at least nanka be papa ni hu won say oh gay ya me ko fa no oye kama head ade show. Me dey make catch papa no owoba. Waware nso me catch on ye fe ne haji abude nche. Abe paye obi ti wo school mu ha ma ye akwa na fi school mu na me catch so oni ma me can whatever you call it.
So obi ji obi kuna eno no anya wasemo abochi obi efo obi ahu te mo wan se uja yes animals e ma me kan jo papa mi nja ni nja ni chi o se asema me ka cho
ti abochi no no de pe o no
kwa de na otete
me tete
fa hu o ha oni sen
yo me de ma catch us papa na wodi na chi no na wo kra me ba o wo senior ne me didn't know so be kasa me ni rough sir. Ah, right ben na wo so se me mi bisa wasem a wo gina me nim ne me kasa rough. Ah? Ebesin.
Yeah, me pen kwara me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah.
You know the last time you disrespected me, right?
I didn't disrespect you.
I was calling you and you didn't come.
But you saw me with the girl. I had to go.
Well, that's not the reason I called you here. You know the girl you were working with?
Yeah.
She's Asantua's closest friend, right? Do you know? I'm asking you. Did you know?
Precious, enough of that.
Did you know?
No, I didn't.
Oh, it's just a simple question. The girl just came to the school and don't you find it surprising that her closest friend is Asantua? If somebody comes to school for the first time, the person picks a good person and the person took Asantua, you should know the type of person the girl is. And besides, if the girl is trying to be close to you and is close to Asantua, don't you know that Asantua is the one who has sent her?
Precious. In fact, this coming from you is so childish and immature.
Vaughn.
Yes, like there is no connection at all. Well, just because they are friends, so you really think Asantua would go that far to send the girl? No. Plus, like, to be honest, I have to say, I know the girl feels me. Yeah? It's nothing like somebody sent someone, it's like mutual feelings. So I don't know why you are trying to come here and be like Asantua sent. Now if Asantua sent a crack, it's not like, it shouldn't be our problem. I don't care. Asantua is now a thing of the past. We are moving forward.
What if she's playing you?
Precious playing me. Precious, I'm not a kid anymore. I'm not a kid to get played.
So you think you can be played?
Of course not. Trust me.
I'm just telling you to take care of yourself because I don't trust these girls. I think you're not going to listen to me, so just take care. Be smart about what you're doing. Since you're telling me you're grown now, just know what you're doing.
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Okay. But next time, don't disrespect me like that. If I call you, just come.
Even if I'm working with a girl?
Yes. Just come and listen to what I have to say and then go.
Precious, so
Would I kill you?
So in the end, what was it? What was it?
You can just be accountable and apologize. There's no need to defend yourself.
Fine, I'm sorry.
Alright.
Is that nice?
Yes.
Alright, sure.
Yeah, me pen kwara me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah.
Linya Santueni. This is your mafia. Oh, continue to na masa. Abi finti matter me so. They be too fear we check by it. I mean now what in the way am I sensitive? Yes, someone. Obi a me yi penyu about. Woni netino. When China say this small boys we each.
Asantueni abote. Oh, say papa ne dey me botu multi and avon so me don.
Odo why? Mani ntu eni so. Odo na odo mani ntu eni so. O be school ma da be ya. Akra we so pa odi nechi. We dey no woni hwe o so yo ti school ma asam ko anaye no. Akoshi semen trouble siabo. Boy we udi mesene me. Obi a me ni te class ba ko ya to class ba ko ade edu ye be wie school. Ada dey no hugu wani so.
Odo
bɛn.
Odo nyuma woti meto nyom chiche. Ewo mi ti mi ndo na to nyuma no.
Wa jimi papa. Enyum to a pe mu be yiska. Obe wa iske free na ta so de ama wa looking fresh no. So hold on say enyum to. Ma ne tu no so sa boy no nye papa. Wo be tu mo school mo anti be kasa che wo so wotie. Me na minim ye na me ka acho. Wonye papa oni suban. She, uni ma acho mo di wo school mo ha.
Ocho medi.
She.
Ne nti me ka se me be fa na tu kwan no. Okay.
O ka che ni se would be tu kwan.
Me nem papa hihye bibia ho kwa o.
Hey. Uni ma wa chi mo di wo school mo ha no ma. Ka o fa ho ko se on chu ni.
Nse hunu ye nti na me pese me ba Ghana nka me ne obi ampo be date no. Ghana for me man ni su ban sei.
Me de maka acho. Chu free ho. We o mwa mama opinimu ne ntina. We o mwa o fa nko si hwe. O ya na o to akoma na etike mma wa mesu nkyere mi o.
O de mate. O ka mate. Nka me ne ko kasa na nka maka acho me se wo sei.
Na wajimi. Mi tufu se chu hu free obi ho a o se wugu ni kodi nkoma ka kire ne se me se won twe kwe ko ka kire.
Asanto de mate. So so open my sense na waka acho nti. Etwe me free.
Chu free no ho like ba nya real quick enye ntentem so. Men delay kwa.
Boy no so pa do ma be do no. Ba de mate ne hu de na on.
Enye gbehu de obey o. Jano choho jani chidi.
Asanto de obey. Enye easy ba de me try.
Enye easy say any 3 days out me for less amani yi.
Mate de me try.
Mani ntu eni so kra.
Mate de waka mate ai. Ba mi ya.
O ya say. Kopi pane donyi na afi wakumem. Ejime boy. And one is saying na ame. Uber school and any 3 days ya ube ju senior boy. So fuck. Kwa na mun kuma ne juma man kwase juma ma bunu.